Actually, suwal natin. At I forgot to start solving it eh.
Let's just copy our classmates' answer later.
Okay.
Can I borrow your powder? Just get it and send a bag and take a peek. Hey, have you heard the scary story about the CRs of May?
Years ago?
I heard about the rumors, but I don't believe in them.
Let me tell you the story.
This happened about 30 years ago. Two young male students were freshmen in this university. It was another one of those rainy days that it was too late when they announced that the classes were cancelled. One of them got to school, only to find out that his classes were cancelled. He had made plans with his friend the day before, so he decided to wait for him since he told him that they would still go on with their plans. When they got to school, they decided to take a pee in a comfort room. Naturally, they used a comfort room in this floor. Since the aura of the whole building was too eerie, they didn't dare go anywhere else.
Nico,
Hey, what if you see a white lady or something here?
Hey dude, I'm not in the mood for bad jokes like that.
Are you scared? Ha ha ha.
What do you think?
Come on, let's get discomforted or else we'll see something here that you don't want to see. Wait, I will just call my brother.
Okay, I'll just say this.
Hey, did you see that?
I put something so beside me.
Look, the door open, right? Is anyone in there?
Nobody.
Come on, let's get up.
thank you. Welcome. Let's go.
Do you think there's also something here?
Maybe I don't believe with such stories. You mean to see to believe? Sort of. Psst.
Wait, ang beautiful tayo yun.
Meron na gagawin.
Katapos sa yung namin.
Uy, ano yun? Uy, ano yun, oh? Alo,
Sumunga.
Alo, tang ina.